Hello guys, thanks for coming back. I'm really happy to be here again with you. I know it's been a long time since I've made a video, but I'm here now. Sometimes in life you have some problems and you have to fix them. So this is what I was doing these last days. So everything is okay now and I think we can go forward. So guys, as you can see here, we have a list of posts, but now they are still static. They are not dynamic. So this is what we're gonna change for this tutorial series. So we're gonna be taking all of these posts from the server. Yeah, we're not gonna create an API from scratch, but we're gonna be using something that already exists on the web, and we call it json placeholder.typicode.com. So this is the API that we're gonna be integrating in our mobile application. And as you can see here, we're gonna just be doing the CRUD operation of this post. So we need the post requests, the get requests, just like this, the get request, excuse me. We're gonna need also the posts for posting a post. So if you have a post, you can create a post in your mobile application and then send it to the server. So for that, we're gonna be using posts, and the puts is the type of requests that we're going to be using for updating or modifying some elements of the posts, and the last one will be the delete request. So guys, before making any API integration, we're going to need a package that we can use for this purpose. Yeah, to make these gates, posts, puts, and delete requests, we're going to need a package that will help us in these to do this, to make this. Yeah, so first you're gonna just open your PubSpec YAML file, and here in the dependencies section, all we have to do is to write this line here, dio with this number, just like this. Very simple. As we have already imported the dio package in our mobile application, we can start using it actually. And the first thing that we're gonna do will be the creation of a file called interceptors. So we're gonna open this data folder here, and inside of this one we'll create another folder called services, and inside of this one we'll create a file. Let's call it interceptors.dart, like this. And here all we have to do is to paste here this class, like this. Okay guys, when it comes to debugging application, that can be helpful if you can know how your data look like when they are being sent to the server. So this is why we have this onRequest function. So every time you're gonna make a post or a put request, this onRequest function will be displaying your body. So how your body look like, all the data that you are sending to the server look like. So this function will be helping us in showing all of those kind of stuff. And also, if there is any response that is coming from the server, you're gonna need to know how this response looks like actually. So this is the place where this onResponse function takes place. So if there is some string in your response, or booleans, or integers, or all that kind of stuff, this onResponse function will be displaying all of them in the console. The last one is the error function. So with this function, the user will be able to see any error that will be coming from the server. So if there is an error, any stack trace, all that kind of stuff will be printed in the console from this error function, just like this, and it's gonna be very, very helpful. So guys, this is what the interceptors class is all about. So all it does is to print all that can happen between the beginning and the end of an API request. That's it. So guys, the other file that we're gonna create is the dio services file. So we're gonna open again the services folder, and here let's say dio services.dart. like this. Okay, inside of here, let's start with an enum. So let's say http method, and here we're gonna create or define all the methods that we can use in our mobile application. So let's say gates, posts, patch, puts, and delete.